Hey there, it's Susie, otherwise known as Susie Q Scraps, and today I'm going to show you how to use grids and guides in Photoshop Elements to set up a 3x3 grid. This will help you to easily use the rule of thirds in the design of your digital scrapbook layouts. This video is for a 12x12 layout. If you prefer to scrapbook an 8.5x11 layout, I do have a video showing the settings for that. I'm going to use Photoshop Elements 9 today. This will also work in earlier versions of the program. So I have my new document. It's set to 12 by 12 inches. And the first thing I want to do is view my grid. So you click on View and then choose Grid, or you can hit Control plus the apostrophe on your keyboard. And you'll see these gray lines showing up that are dividing my page into a grid. We want to adjust where these lines are showing up on my page. So you go to Edit, Preferences, and then choose Guides and Grid. We want to have a grid line every 12 inches with subdivisions. We want 3 subdivisions. Then click OK. And now you'll see I just have a very faint grid line here and here, and then 2 horizontally as well. The next thing we want to do is view our rulers. So go to View, Rulers, or hit Shift-Control-R. And this will put your rulers at the top and the left. And now we need to make sure that our snap is set up. So go to View, Snap to, and make sure both guides and grid are checked. What we're going to do now is draw out some guidelines so we don't have to keep the grid on. And then this way we'll be able to visually see kind of where the best points are, these 4 intersections, for designing a layout using the rule of thirds. So to drag out a guideline, just click over in the white area of the ruler and then drag, and you'll feel it kind of snap to that line at 4 inches because we've got our snap to grid turned on. And then go ahead and let go, and it'll create a blue line. This is just visually to help you. It won't print on your layouts. And then we want to drag another one out here at 8 inches. So we'll just click over in the left on rulers and drag, and it'll snap again right around 8 inches. And then to do the 2 horizontal lines, we'll drag down from the ruler, and then you let go to create your guideline. So now you have your guidelines. If you don't want to see the guidelines anymore, you can go to View, Guides, and uncheck that, and then they'll disappear. And then you can click it again to turn them back on. And that is how you would create a 3x3 grid for the rule of thirds on a 12x12 layout. If you have any questions, please email me, susieqscraps@gmail.com. Thanks.